Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know who unfriended you on Snapchat. For example, if you have many number of friends on Snapchat and if you want to see who has unfriended you on Snapchat, so how you can know about that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings here. And in setting, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of download data. So you have to simply search for that. So here you have to simply click on my data. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some seconds so that Snapchat can generate your data. And after that, there will be option of login. So you have to simply log in into your Snapchat account, and after login you have to request Snapchat to provide your data. So you have to make sure that you check your data again and again, and any kind of friend list and friend disappears in your data, that means that friend has unfriended you. Moreover, you can also search that person on Snapchat. After that, you will be able to know about that, whether that person has unfriended you or not. So you can simply search for that person username on Snapchat, and after that you will be confirmed. So if you see add instead of any kind of option, which means that person has blocked you or unfriended you on Snapchat. So in this way you can simply check for that. And if you want to know the person has unfriended you or not, you can simply also check a quick add in your add friends. If the person is available in your quick add, then you can simply check whether the person has blocked you or that person has unfriended you on Snapchat. So in this way you can simply check for all the unfriended friends on Snapchat. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.